Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be going over the Cosori Smart 5.8 core air fryer, and this one is awesome because it creates up to 85% less fat, has smart control, a touchscreen display, and also comes with a 100 recipe cookbook inside. It also fits a whole 5-pound chicken, guys, and has a 2-year extended warranty as well. Crispy yet healthy, conscious results. Air frying is known to produce food with up to 85% less fat than deep frying. Since it requires little to no oil, often just a tablespoon to suffice. Highly effective air circulation thoroughly cooks food while keeping textures crisp. You won't need to fire up an extra oven anymore. Save your time and your oil. Cleanup, that's as easy as the prep. Everything is a cinch from cooking to serving to cleanup. With non-stick surfaces, there's little residue left to scrub. Even the dishwasher can help. You got fry, bake, grill, roast, non-stick material, dishwasher safe, and also easy to clean, like I just stated. 11 presets, one innovative machine with an easy-to-use LED touchscreen and smart functions available through your phone. The Cosori air fryer will do all the cooking math for you. Steak, chicken, seafood, shrimp, bacon, frozen foods, French fries, vegetables, root vegetables, desserts, and also bread. Healthy choices and smart controls. The Cosori air fryer is more convenient than ever. Easily connect the VSync app to adjust settings and program recipes from your phone. Adjustable temperature and time. Freely adjust either setting for the perfect bake. Easily convert from Fahrenheit to Celsius with a push of a button. There is a temperature range right there. We also have rapid heat circulation, with heat distributed evenly by fast air circulation, making preheating and cooking quicker than ever. Preheating visibly improves your food texture and takes no longer than 5 minutes. Evenly cooked every time. The Cosori air fryer was designed to maintain its target temperature from start to finish, so your food is never undercooked. And you can plan your meals by coordinating your meals and scheduling cook times in the app, and delay the start of your cooking program up to 4 hours in advance. Keep warm function. The bonus function keeps your food fresh and warm until it's ready to be served. And also a shake reminder, which is a unique shake reminder that lets you know when to shake the contents for an even fry. So really cool, guys. I actually did already pull it out of the packaging right here, and I have it. So let's go ahead and take a look at the Cosori air fryer. Like I said, it is definitely 5.8 quart, very large capacity. So I'm really excited to see what we got here. Let's go ahead and take off the pieces of tape and see exactly what the bin looks like and how much we can really fit into this thing. And before we get started, there's plastic inside. Make sure to pull out and separate the baskets on a countertop and remove all plastic before plugging in. Now, since we got the basket out, you can look right here, slide that up, and then also press the button, and there will be another shell that comes off. Go ahead and be sure to grab that styrofoam out of there as well, and then you can place it back down in its slot and lock it back into place like so. And then take all the cardboard sleeves and everything out of the air fryer. Now we should be ready to go. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of a demonstration and go ahead and fry us up some tater tots right quick. I just now cranked it over to fries, and now I'm gonna go ahead and grab our tots. Real life reviews, real life unboxings, baby, you know what it is. Now we got our tots out there, looking real good already. Let's go ahead and put them back in and give them a little bit of a shake. All right, now after 13 minutes, we're actually getting the alarm to shake it. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and take the basket out and give them a good shake. They're already looking pretty golden brown. Looking nice, actually. Let me go ahead and grab one out. Getting a little bit of a crisp on the edges. So let's go ahead and put them back in and continue cooking. And download honey.
And download honey.
All right, guys, our tots are done. Let's go ahead and take them out and see how these crispy critters are looking. I can't wait to eat on these. I'm gonna get some ranch dressing for these buffaloes, bro. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys would use ranch dressing. Just type ranch in all caps. Look at these. Look at those tots. Can you hear the crispiness? Can you hear the crispiness over the camera, guys? Listen. Oh, them beasts are crunchy. Oh my Lord. That is going to be some good stuff, guys. I'm very excited. I can't wait to use this some more. And after cooking, even the basket up in the front, everything, literally got the tots in them right now. And the basket where I just now took them out is completely cool. So I can touch the entire unit. Does not hurt me up on the top, up on the bottom. And it's cool. So really love that, guys. I would go a little bit more in depth in the smart app and everything, but I'm a little pressed for time today, and I want to go ahead and start eating these tater tots before they cool down. So there will be links down in the description below if you guys want to check out the Cosori air fryer. It is only $99 on Amazon, and if you guys use my link, I will get a small commission off that, so that would be greatly appreciated. I'll put that directly back into the channel and continue increasing quality for you all. And I want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Unboxing for more products for real life applications. Smash that notification bell to stay up to date on our newest uploads. And as always, keep it real.